Right, let us check out with the problem number 7 here. Find the smallest number which when divided by 12 and 20 leaves no remainder. Correct. So it is a simple LCM problem. Right, start first, find the LCM of 12 and 20. You are going to get the answer. That is what your answer is. Let me find the LCM for 12 and 20. You know how to find the LCM. Let me start with the 4 or 2, right? 2 3s are 2 6s are, right? 2 6 are 2 10s are. Let me go with again 2 3s are 2 5s are. Further division is not possible, so let us go with this 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This answer you are going to get 5 3s are 15, 2 2s are 4. 15 into 4 is 60. So 60 is the smallest number which when divided by 12 and as well as 20 leaves no remainder. You can check with division also, right? Fine.